GATE 2014. Okay. Good evening, students. I welcome you all in this next session where we will again have to discuss 5 questions of the previous year GATE. So let's get started. What was that question and how will we are going to discuss them? Okay. So just wait a minute. Just wait for some time. Yeah. Yeah. So your first question is, you have to decide the geometries of the two given compound. What was that? The first given compound is nickel CO4. That is your first compound. Then is your nickel Cl4 minus 2. Okay. So you have been asked that what type of geometry did they exist in. Okay. So whenever you do these type of question, you know that the both of them have a tetrahedral geometry. This one is because this will just you have to first figure out the oxidation state of the metal. So you know that carbon monoxide will have -1 charge on it. So it is -4 or X equals to +4. When you arrange in +4 oxidation state for nickel, then you know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. It is as D8S2 configuration for nickel, but it is +4 oxidation state, so it is a 0 and 6. D6 configuration. Your square planar or tetrahedral geometry will come into the picture when you have the electronic configuration as a D9 or D10, D8 and D9. Otherwise, it is a tetrahedral geometry. So it is a tetrahedral geometry. Okay, it is not square planar. Tetrahedral. Tetrahedral geometry. Same is the case with this tetrahedral. Okay. So you have to do the questions like this. Whenever you are being asked with the tetrahedral geometry or any kind of geometry in the coordination complexes, you need to know about the electronic configuration first, then you can decide it. Okay. The next question is the correct order of IR frequency. There are 3 compounds given to you and you have been asked what type of frequency of carbon double bond will they give. The question is very simple. You have exocyclic bonds are present here. Okay, so the frequency of C double bond C. The order of the frequency has been asked before you. Whenever you have a decreasing number of carbon in a ring and you have exterior bond there, then always remember that the lesser the number of carbon atoms in the smaller the ring, greater will be the frequency. So the order will become like this: 3 is greater than second is greater than first. Okay, that's your correct option. Whenever you are being asked for the frequency, carbon double bond frequency, the smaller the ring, the greater will be its frequency. Okay, you have to do it like this. It's a very simple question, I guess. The next question is from your solid state, and it is also a very simple question. Just you have to be very precise in what? In your units and unit conversions, then you can do it. You have a molybdenum given in your question. It is given that it is a molybdenum solid state or molybdenum compound solid, and it is having BCC structure, and the unit cell dimension is 0.314 nanometer, and molecular weight of molybdenum is 96, and you have to calculate the density. Okay, you know the formula of density is Z into M upon Na into A cube. So you have to put the A from this equation. Molecular weight is given to you, M is given to you, Z will be 2 for BCC structure. Na, you know that 6.06 into 10 to power 23. You know all that values, and you can calculate the density easily. Okay, such type of questions is expected from the GATE examination, and that they are very easy also. The next question is from bioinorganic. Okay, it is from bioinorganic portion. What it says, it says that you know that magnesium is in the center of the chlorophyll structure. When you know that the green plants have chlorophyll in them, and the chlorophyll has a structure, bioinorganic structure, and it has a moiety in which magnesium metal is present. So they are asking about the role of magnesium. The magnesium is preferred in magnesium plus 2 is present in the chlorophyll because that's a very straightforward question, because you have given several options for that. It is a high spin complex, it's a low spin complex, so far and so forth. But the correct option for this statement, why magnesium is used in the chlorophyll molecule, is it's basically theory. There is no logic. You cannot have a concept in these situation. Biology is a fact. You know the fact, you can do it. Okay, it has a weak spin. It has a weak spin orbital coupling. Because of this property, magnesium is used in the chlorophyll structure. Okay, in the chlorophyll atom. Okay, that's your questions. That's it for today. We have been discussing GATE 2014. I will be joining you next time with 4 or 5 more questions about the previous year GATE. Thank you so much for watching this video, and do like, subscribe, and other things, and just keep learning until your exam comes, which is on the next month in Feb. Okay, thank you so much.